I'll be starting with the Starbucks one. In this case study, we were supposed to propose an idea for developing a PWA for Starbucks app. In the first question, there was this question: what technological difficulties could be with an PWA? PWA is a progressive web app. One which I find is like PWAs are not able to use native features, the hardware features. They are able to use some features, but still there are some features which they are pending. Like there is this NFC in our mobile phones, which they cannot use. Like the API for this NFC is still in progress. Trial API was released like few years back, but it hasn't been like completed yet. So in future, if we are thinking to add a payment feature or payment support using NFC in our app, then it won't be possible with our PWA. Then users cannot won't be able to find our Starbucks app on the Play Store or App Store. Like some users do look for apps over there. But a pro of PWA is like we can make our web pages SEO friendly, so the search crawlers can do find our application and also our pages. And another tech difficulty which I have foresee was there could be some difficulties in optimizing according to the network quality, because we will be making this PWA for emerging markets, and there could be there could be some optimization issues during the bandwidth. And this website like what PWA can do dot today. I referred this website, like one can open it and check what are the features can be work in PWA. Like PWA can do a lot many things, like you can access contacts, camera, Bluetooth. All this you can find it through this website. Then the next question was like while discussing with my engineering team how I will describe my requirement to them. Like I have made a small doc for them. So this is the project summary in which I have like described about the application. Like Starbucks will be launching a web app for its customers so that the users can check Starbucks menu, they can place an order, they can also get location-based pricing, and they can create customized orders. And we will be using a PWA to implement this app, and it should be optimized for offline support and low internet speed, since our target users will be belonging to countries or cities of emerging markets like Asia or Africa. So here I also mentioned like what will be the goals and success criteria for my engineering team. They should be managed to get at least 98% score on Google Lighthouse audit. It is one of the major audit while checking whether one has implemented PWA in his app or not. Then like adoption of the app by the end customers after its launch. By adoption, I mean like the app is comfortable to handle such scale of number, right? Then since we will be trying to make our customers and also our store owners to adopt this app, I'll be adding this also as a success criteria, that order by our Starbucks app and online transaction will increase as the adoption of our app will increase. And app should also pass Google's recommended checklist for PWA. This is also open source. Then these are like few of the features which the app might be having, like login sign up, then customize order. User can create, edit or delete their customized order. Then shopping cart, they can add or remove items to the shopping cart and then place the order. Then menu, users can browse the menu of a store. Then pricing, like when the internet is available, it will show the pricing of items according to their location, since there will be different pricing in different locations and currency as well. And another feature, like it should work online. And then there will be a home screen as well. In home screen, we will be displaying some promotional banners, a few cards, info about what new drinks have been launched by Starbucks, and any info about offers or discounts. And then another, like one of the feature or kind of a checklist for the engineering team, like this app should be also optimized for low end tier and mid tier mobile phones. Since we are targeting emerging markets, there could be scenarios like people might not be having high-end mobile phones. Then the app should also be optimized for 2G and 3G and low speed area networks. Although in India we are lucky, like we have a good internet connection, we have 4G, but still there are many countries in emerging markets where internet speed is pretty slow. Then also a feature for push notifications. So the user will get notifications about promotional deals, even their order status and shopping cart status in the app. And I've also made like some user screen. This is the user screen for store page. Like this will be this card, like product description. It will be a promotional card. Any item which we want to push here. And here, a greeting, good morning, John. Like Starbucks is very customer centric as a brand, so we will be like inculcating that in our app as well. And this will be our list of our items in the store, and they can click on buy, and then that item will be added into their store, and they can place the order. On clicking on buy, there will be another menu where they can like edit the quantity, and if they want to customize, on clicking on customize, it will like land to this page, customize your order. Here I've added some like input drop down, like what size do they need, what's included, and we can add any other relevant input elements as well according to the customization which the store is able to provide. And this is the nav bar in the app. Like on clicking on nav bar, user can navigate to home, store, orders. I have not made a user screen for home, but as I mentioned, like in home, we will be displaying promotional banners, new drinks. Then talking about the tech stack, like for the like front end, we will be using React.js and React PWA. And for data management, we will be using Redux to manage all the data that we are getting through our APIs. And for UI library, we will be making customized UI library components according to the colors of Starbucks branding. And we'll be using Webpack as a module bundle. And for backend, we will be using Node.js, Express, and Express for routing. But if the team is comfortable with Go or maybe Java, then maybe we can use those languages as well, since it will be a microservices architecture. And for database, we will be using MongoDB. So this would be all like for the Starbucks case study.